Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you the new black bat flower and grow a garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined the game and then I'm going to show you about this black bat flower. And if you want to get this seed guys, you can increase your pass level. Okay, you can increase your XP level and you can claim the black bat flower seed at level 8. As you can see, I have already claimed the seed and I have planted this flower on my garden. And this is how the black bat flower looks like. And then I'm going to show you the base value of this flower. I'm going to go to the cell and I'm going to check the base value. How much is this worth? And wow, that's so cool. The base value is around 100k shekels, and I think it's really worth to plant on your garden. And of course, you need to increase your level to get this seed. Okay guys, and that's all about the new black bad flower in grow garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.